Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cold-pressed oregano oil. Start with fresh organic oregano, rinse gently, and pat dry to remove moisture. I will walk you through simple pressing techniques, safe storage tips, and ways to test potency at home. Expect practical steps you can follow in your kitchen with common tools and minimal fuss, all delivered in a warm, easygoing tone so you feel confident making your own oil. Gather oregano at the right time and handle it gently to keep oils intact. I recommend harvesting in the morning after dew dries, trimming above a node, and avoiding damaged plants. Keep your bunches cool and shaded while you prepare to press. These small choices directly affect aroma and potency, and I will explain why each step matters so you can maximize yield and enjoy a superior homemade oil. Prepare your pressing area and tools before you begin to keep the process smooth. Crush or press the oregano to rupture oil glands, then collect the express liquid and filter it twice for clarity. Let the liquid settle to separate any water or sediment, then transfer oil to amber glass containers and minimize air contact. I will guide you through timing and small tricks that preserve scent and potency for longer storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.